So going over number 4 here from the homework, what you'll want to do is use the week 5 spreadsheet in the week 5 lesson. So click on that and open it up. And then once you have it open, you're going to put your values in the green cells for creating our confidence interval for a mean. And this symbol here, this U-shaped symbol, means a mean. And this P represents when we're doing a proportion. You can see the word proportion here as well. So the confidence level is stated in the problem as 95%. The sample size N is stated as 64. The sample mean is 85, and the sample standard deviation is 5. And we can confirm all those values. Those are just what is stated right here in the problem, and it said 95% confidence. And so when we do that, pulling Excel back up, these cells down here have the built-in formulas, and it gives you the margin of error and the lower and upper limit of your confidence interval. And how this margin of error and these limits are related to each other, our confidence interval is a guess for the population mean. Now we know our sample mean was 85. Now this sample is a small part of the population, so we're hoping that it represents the population. And so we're going to use this 85 as the very middle number in our guess for the population mean, because it was the mean of our sample. And then we add that margin of error. So add this number 1.22, add it to 85 to get the upper limit. And then we subtract it from 85 to get the lower limit. So we get this interval of numbers centered around our sample mean. And that range of numbers, anything in between these values, that is where we are confident the population mean is somewhere in between there. We don't know what number it is precisely, but we're 95% confident that it's somewhere in between those values.